Hi guys, Mitch King with Trade Stocks America with the Thursday morning, June 14th, 2012 Daily Stock Report. Here's the Dow 30, down 0.2%. The U.S. indexes were up until until Egan-Jones issued a downgrade on the Spanish sovereign debt to CCC+. Really spooked the market, so I think this will carry over to tomorrow's selling. Here's the NASDAQ Composite, a little weaker than the Dow, and you can see the downtrend on this chart is resuming to its downtrend, and you'll see this is very obvious in all the charts I'm going to show you now on the Daily Stock Report. Most of the stocks we have are short positions with a few longs that have acted well, and I think we're going to be better opting on the short side with some occasional rebounds on the shorts, some occasional rebounds that make some money up like this in that red box there. But I think there'll be powerful 2 or 3 day periods of rebounds after extended selling. At least that's been the pattern, and I'm staying with that until it changes. Here's FNGN, down 1.7% today. A gradual downtrend, and that's resuming or returning to that downtrend. And you'll see that all along through these next 20 or 30 stocks. SFD has kind of held this $19 area, so be careful. It could start bouncing. We're on a real gradual downtrend. If it doesn't break below this 19, I think we ought to cover it here in the next 2 or 3 days. HGG is starting to move on the downside. These are all short positions. WBC down 0.9%, looking good on the short. Sun Life, we're looking for this to turn over toward 19.25 area. AFL was down 0.9%. You can see a clear downtrend if you just draw a couple lines. We're looking for this to move to some lower lows. Panel was down 2.5% today. More downside for this stock. Level 3 down 4.1%. More downside is ahead. And this one's just starting the last few weeks to start heading over, to start heading down. I think more downside for this. RDC down 1%. Looking for RBC to turn over toward mid-50s. LVS is resuming its downtrend. These are all shorts again. If you got this short, look for a couple more down days and see if we can get out of this short position. It had a little pop up yesterday. CHMT going down 2.1% today. More downside, looking for 13 or lower. BVN's just starting to break down. VCI might be just about done on its drop for this short position. If it holds this 19 and doesn't go below this the next 2 days, I'd cover it. Down 2.3% today. We're already sitting on some good profits on this. We're looking for Lorillard to turn over and kind of go down toward that 116 number. RRC also resuming down. A little sharper drop than other stocks. The area to watch for is to see if it drops below this 54, 53, 50 number in the red box. And if it goes below that, it should drop pretty good at a faster rate. ADSK down 1.9%. Kind of flatlining now in the last 2 weeks. Here's an aggressive short. Shuffle Master down 4.1%. Probably got a couple more down days like this. 2 or 3. Maybe not as steep of a drop, but I think we're heading down. Here's Cenex, down 2.7% today. Low price stock. If it breaks below 675, you need to be out. Noble Energy, looking for a long on this. Down 2% today. This one's a little dangerous. If it drops below 15, I think you should be stopped out. Humana is a real gradual uptrend. I think it could start moving. Going back to some shorts. Taro Pharmaceuticals, down 1.8%. Pretty good profit potential on this stock. Rayonier, another tobacco company, down 1.7%, looking good on this short. CNK went to a lower low today on this movie theater chain. F5 down slightly. This might not break down very quickly, so try to be careful with this one. Variant Medical down 1%. Looks like there's more downside. Waiting for soda to turn over. Red Hat down 1.1%. More downside for this one. Take care, you guys. Don't get leveraged. Be disciplined. We'll talk to you tomorrow.